Today I'm going to show you how to properly install and activate your Holafly eSIM on any iPhone. So to start, you will first need to buy your Holafly eSIM. If you haven't done that yet, you can use our affiliate link in the description below. It will take you directly to Holafly. And don't forget to use our discount code to save up some money. But wait, before buying your eSIM, there's one important thing that you need to check. Make sure that your phone is eSIM compatible. If you have an iPhone XS or newer, you should be good to go. But make sure you check Holafly's website where you will find a complete list of eSIM compatible devices. Now, here's the catch. Your phone also needs to be network unlocked. If you don't know whether your device is unlocked, I will leave a link in the description to a video where I show you exactly how to check your phone's network status, and if needed, unlock it using unlockriver.com, a trusted and safe online service that has been providing unlocking services remotely for over 12 years. Once you have confirmed that your device is fully compatible, we can go ahead and continue shopping for our Holafly eSIM. You can do this through their website or their app. Just make sure to use our affiliate link and discount code. Holafly offers unlimited data plans in most of their 200 plus destinations they cover. And no, in case you're wondering, they don't provide phone numbers. But that shouldn't be a problem since you will be able to make calls using voice over IP apps like WhatsApp thanks to their unlimited data plans. Just choose your destination, configure your plan, and proceed to checkout. Perfect. Once you have purchased your eSIM, you will receive it via email, WhatsApp, and you will also find it under the My eSIMs section in the Holafly app. Let's proceed with installation. There are three main methods to do this: direct installation, QR code, or manual installation. The direct installation is the simplest option, so if that's available on your device through the Holafly app, we recommend you go for it. Next is the QR code installation, which is also very straightforward, and it's the method we will be using today. Lastly, there's the manual installation, which can be the most time consuming. You will need to copy and paste the SMTP address and activation codes provided by Holafly into your phone settings. Let's proceed with the QR code installation. You can find the QR code in your email, WhatsApp, or in the Holafly app. Now, you have a couple of options for scanning. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then Mobile Data or Cellular, and then tap on Add eSIM. Now select the option to scan a QR code. Here, you'll see the option to enter your eSIM manually, as we mentioned before. But let's go back and scan the Holafly QR code either from another device or by printing it and scanning it. Alternatively, on newer devices, you can long press the QR code and tap Install eSIM, or choose the option to scan a QR code directly from a screenshot in your photo gallery. No matter which installation method you choose, you will eventually arrive in this screen. From here, the process is the same for all devices independently of their installation method chosen. Tap Continue. This will install your eSIM, and this might take a minute, so be very patient. By the way, make sure that you have a stable internet connection while installing your eSIM. Perfect, mobile plan setup complete. Your Holafly eSIM is now active on this iPhone. Now it's not really active, but it's installed. Now I'm going to show you the final steps. So we're going to press done. As you can see, I have a primary eSIM, and I'll be labeling the secondary eSIM. This is the Holafly eSIM, so I'll name it Holafly, and let's go back and continue. If you have multiple eSIMs, you'll have to set a default line, and that's going to be the line that is going to be used for calling and texting. So most of the Holafly eSIMs don't provide a phone number, so I will be using my primary line as a phone number to make calls and use also iMessage. Now this is the most important part. The mobile data needs to be pulled from the Holafly eSIM, so make sure that one is selected, and I would suggest keeping this feature deactivated so that it only pulls the data from the Holafly eSIM. So let's proceed. And perfect, our eSIM from Holafly has been successfully installed. Now there's one more step that we have to do, and that's the eSIM activation, so that the eSIM starts working as soon as we land. Now if you're traveling, I recommend doing this before you take off, so that when you arrive at your destination, you have full data coverage. So here's the final step. Tap on your new eSIM and make sure that data roaming is enabled. That's going to make sure that your eSIM is activated as soon as it connects to the local network. Now here's a quick tip. You can also select data mode, and you're able to select the speed at which your phone will navigate and consume data. The faster the speed, the more data it will consume. But since we have an unlimited plan with Holafly, we'll set it at 5G so that we can browse the internet at full speed. Perfect, our eSIM has been installed and activated. Now, if you want to take this a step further in case you're traveling and want to avoid unexpected roaming costs on your main line, go back, select your primary eSIM in case you have one, and make sure that data roaming is disabled when you're traveling. You can still keep this line on in case you want to receive calls and SMS notifications for verification text messages or anything, but as long as the data roaming is disabled, you won't have unexpected charges. And perfect, our eSIM from Holafly has been successfully installed. Don't forget to use our affiliate link if you want to support the channel and you want to save up some money using our referral code in case you want to buy an eSIM from Holafly. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the like button and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Have a great trip.